Got a custom PBS brush file for PaintShop Pro to enhance your digital art? These brush scripts add specialized painting tools to PaintShop Pro. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and use these PaintShop Pro brush script files. For those complex PBS formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later, after we attempt the common methods. A PBS file contains a script that automates tasks or creates custom brushstrokes within PaintShop Pro. Users search for these files to install new artistic tools, such as special effect brushes or complex pattern applicators, enhancing their creative capabilities without manual repetition or complex steps. This is a text-based script file, likely using a proprietary scripting language specific to PaintShop Pro's API. It contains commands and parameters that the application's engine interprets to manipulate pixels, apply filters, and control brush behavior, designed for easy creation and sharing among users. The reference software for validating PBS integrity is PaintShop Pro from Aludo, formerly Corel Corporation. The file requires specific permissions and handlers that Windows does not easily configure. Windows shows limited details, so safe use requires knowing which program the plugin belongs to. We'll initiate a comprehensive scan of potential openers. Right-click your PBS file and select Open with. Test PaintShop Pro if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates confusion. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, installing PBS brushes. Copy the PBS file to PaintShop Pro's brushes folder, typically located in Documents/Corel PaintShop Pro Brush Tips, or the application's preset directory. Restart PaintShop Pro, and the new brushes appear in the brush variants palette, ready for use in your digital painting and image editing projects. Next, loading through application. Open PaintShop Pro and access file, then import, then custom brush, or use the brush palette's load function. Browse to and select the PBS file. PaintShop Pro imports the brush script, making it available for selection alongside built-in brushes for your painting and retouching workflows. Finally, managing brush library. Use PaintShop Pro's brush variants palette to organize imported PBS brushes into custom categories. Right-click brushes to access management options, including renaming, categorizing, and removing. Maintain a well-organized brush library by grouping related PBS imports for efficient access during creative projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.